My favorite joke that I like to say at school is when kids are playing with my broom, say they're helping me sweep or something, and they're kind of just playing with it. I'm like, hey, don't touch that. That's my ride home. And then they look at me like, what? I've got chores to do. We're wasting time. Hello, Hotties. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. I'm Ali Mack, and I'm currently a 7th grade math teacher. While you're here, click the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any other videos from me. Alright, I got so much chores to do, so watch me get it done.
And me uptown, dancing all around till the disco ball pops. But I have to be me, and everyone can see your anger is misplaced. And I'm gonna tell ya, don't hate me 'cause I get attention. Don't turn me into what I'm not. I have to be me 24/7, and I ain't never gonna stop. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Oh, no, no, no. No, oh, oh, oh. And I ain't never gonna stop. Come on. Listen to me. I've tried so many times to tell you this is as good as I can be. Why isn't it enough to be faithful and also be the hit of the party? Let's just break it down to you and me uptown, dancing all around till the disco ball pops. But I have to be me, and everyone can see your anger is misplaced. And I'm gonna tell you, don't hate me 'cause I get attention. Don't turn me into what I'm not. I have to be me 24/7, and I ain't never gonna stop. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Never gonna stop. No, 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 no. Yeah, 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 yeah. I ain't never gonna stop. No, no. Oh, I ain't never gonna stop. I ain't never gonna stop now, baby. Never gonna stop now, baby. Yeah, yeah, yeah. No, no, no. I ain't never gonna stop now, baby. Woo-hoo.
I am going to declare my daughter the Marie Kondo queen of this house. I am giving up my title.
No, oh, oh, oh. Oh, no, oh, oh. No, oh, oh, oh. Hold on, girl, now wait just a minute. I've got something to say, you should hear it. Oh, I'm happy to make time for your feelings, but you have to admit I already do. Let's just break it down to you and me uptown, dancing all around till the disco ball.
I'm so lucky to have a daughter that helps me with my chores. How many people are that lucky? And she does it with a smile, and she's willing to do it. It's kind of cool.
Don't hate me 'cause I get attention. Don't turn me into what I'm not. I have to be me 24/7, and I ain't never gonna stop. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Oh, no, no, no. listen to me. I've tried so many times to tell you this is as good as I can be. Why isn't it enough to be faithful and also be the hit of the party? Let's just break it down to you and me uptown, dancing all around till the disco ball pops. But I have to be me.
Alright, that is it for this video. If you found it helpful, informative, or even entertaining, please like, share, and subscribe. Comment below the broom emoji. And as always, you all have an amazing day, and I will see you in my next video, which will be tomorrow. My cat's talking to me. Goodbye. Hey, Muffin. Hey, Muffin. Goodbye, y'all.